Alright YouTube, we're back. We're gonna do an oil change on this 2025 Honda Rebel 500. But anyway, this isn't gonna be really a how-to because, to be honest, I don't even know what I'm doing. There is that bolt right there on the oil pan. It's a 12 millimeter. You want the bike as level as possible. I don't have a proper stand, so I'm just using 2 jack stands. So yeah, we're gonna crack that loose, take it out. We're gonna let the oil drain into here. And then pro tip, put some tin foil around your headers, I guess, so you don't have to worry about cleaning them off. Where's the washer? Oh, the washer's stuck on there. So we're gonna replace the washer. So yeah, we're gonna let this empty out. Alright, so there's a bunch of videos out there on how to do this better. I'll link the one that I used in the description. This is its first oil change. The bike has like 620 miles, so I'm a little bit over. I was supposed to do it exactly at 600. So this is the oil filter we're putting on. It's a K&N 2041. Because you don't want to use one of these while tightening, because you're just gonna squish the filter like I did here, removing it, which removing it is fine. This is also crazy to some people, but you just need oil on here. Okay, so another big reason why you need a stand, or you can use this method, I guess, is you want the bike to be upright as much as possible, so that through the sight glass, which is right there, you have your top line right here and your bottom line down here. That's how you check your oil level. And if the bike is leaning on that kickstand, it'll actually show lower on the sight glass than what the oil level actually is at. Okay, so as for the oil, I didn't go with Honda OEM. Like I said, I was at AutoZone getting some stuff for the truck, so I just picked up that filter. And this oil right here, it's full synthetic Valvoline. 10W30 is what's recommended. Engine oil, 2.9 quarts with filter. Okay, I guess let's see if I can do this one-handed. Pro tip, pour it sideways. Like that. Look how much smoother that comes out versus like this. I don't know about y'all, but I gotta get my money's worth. See, it's a little bit higher than it should be right now, but that's because the filter is dry. So we're gonna start the bike up, let it run for 60 seconds, let the oil run through it, cut it off, and then let it sit for 2 minutes so that the oil can come back down from like the head and everything, and then we'll see where we're at level wise. Well, that would have not been good if I started this in gear. There we go. We cleaned everything up, oil level is good. From the title you could probably tell that we're gonna be installing this Coffmans exhaust. I'm gonna link a really good video on an install and like sound clips so you can hear the difference. Okay, so it's on. This is a 12. The nut on the back of here is a 12. And then the clamp that it comes with, that bolt, is a 14 millimeter. I am going to leave the baffle in because I don't have any O-ring or like snap ring pliers to like take that out. So for now I'm gonna leave it in. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the baffle in for a couple of days and then take the baffle out and see which one I like more. All right, we're gonna move on to the passenger seat install. If you do need a tutorial for how to install the passenger seat, I will put a really good video that I found in the description because that's what I'll be following along with. Okay, like I said, this is by no means a tutorial because I'm following along with this video. This video is great. I'll put the link in the description. But like, you got little bearings, got a bunch of springs and crap. Let me figure this out off camera and I'll show you the end result. What's up, Kilo? This side's in. There's like a really small pin that goes in there, plus this 17mm nut. So that's good. The seat is like the easiest freaking thing. And then this one, for reference, this is from Honda OEM because I wanted to match the special edition brown leather seat. And my fear was if I got it off of Amazon that they wouldn't really match that well, and then I would have to buy the Amazon driver seat as well. So I just said I'm just gonna get the whole passenger seat kit off of Honda. I think it was like $140. In today's video, we got the oil change done. We got our Coffmans Thunder Exhaust on, and we got our passenger seat kit on. All right, guys, picking up where we left off. Earlier in the video, you guys saw the oil change. You guys saw me install the exhaust, and I know you guys didn't really see me install the passenger seat and the pegs because, God, I mean, it wasn't a pain in the ass by any means. Nice car. Very tedious, I guess. Yeah, rode the bike out to this warehouse that I shot the first video at. So what I'm gonna do right now, you're hearing everything off of the GoPro's mic, the internal mic that it has. I'm gonna switch over to the mic inside the helmet right now, and warning, it is not great. Yeah, enough yapping. Let's go for a ride and continue yapping, I guess, while we're riding.
Yeah, hate to break it to you guys, but it sounded so bad.
Your shit's gonna get towed.
No, the fuck it's not, bro. I wish they would.
Can't you get a ticket for that?
You're going on YouTube, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yo, we're back. Yo, we're back.